if S congratulates Daniel on his award. S says yay to Daniel. Cool? I just have to visualize these things, otherwise I don't remember them. She will misinterpret her true feelings. Oh, misrepresent. Ooh, she's lying. Okay. So if she congratulates him on his award, she actually doesn't think he deserves the award, maybe? Okay, good to know. However, if she does not congratulate Daniel, she will hurt his feelings. This is a good set of if-then statements because it's all-inclusive, right? Either she's going to congratulate or she's not going to congratulate. There's no middle ground here. So every scenario has been covered. We're cool with that? Okay, principle. Oh, that's a problem. I didn't read that. Yeah, that is a problem. Principle, one should never be insincere about one's feelings. Okay. Except possibly where one believes that the person with whom one is speaking would prefer kindness to honesty. Okay, except is equal to what? Unless, which is equal to if not, right? So if the principle is what? If can anyone translate this principle into an if-then statement? I hear the clock ticking.
If you are insincere about one's feelings, then that person prefers kindness to honesty.
If you are being insincere, you decided to make the first clause your if clause.
Mm-hmm.
Totally fine. It said one should never be insincere. So if you should be insincere, then it must be the case that
person prefers honesty.
Well, actually, this is. Do you guys see what this sentence is actually saying? Is this a fact or a?
It says believes.
Believes. So we don't actually care about what is the case. It's where you believe. So I'm going to put that B in there. You believe that the person with whom you're talking to would prefer kindness to honesty. You believe that they value kindness over honesty. You don't need to do this technical of a drawing, but what do they prefer? They prefer
Being what?
they prefer being lied to, right? I'm just going to simplify it. You believe that they prefer insincerity.
Yeah.
Sound good? Now, I don't want to get too far away from the words here, but that's what this if-then statement is saying. The principle is valid with most help to justify the reasoning in which one of the following arguments concerning the problem. So what type of question is this? No.
Inference.
Inference. Chaz, do you know why it's inference?
The principle is valid, it's referring to the thing above.
Yes, the thing above is assumed to be true, and we're trying to figure out which answer choice is essentially proven by it. I think you're thinking of it as strengthened because you're basically saying which answer is strengthened by it.
Yeah.
But again, it's still going to be top down. So, A, if S congratulates Daniel, she will. So if she congratulates him, what's going on? Is she being sincere or insincere?
Insincere.
Insincere. She will avoid hurting his feelings, so she should congratulate him. This doesn't talk at all about the belief and the insincerity, so this seems to be out. Well, you don't know if we're in the exception or not. Sound good? B, Daniel might prefer for S to congratulate him, even if insincerely, rather than for her to express her true feelings. And so, I'm just going to stop here. Why should I stop here?
Might.
Why might? It said in the original, except possibly. So the might is actually.
Because you don't know whether she believes it or not.
I didn't pick that one because it's like it needs to be Shayna believing.
That's exactly right.
Yeah.
And that's what Paul just said too. So same thing. That was good. No. It's perfect. B says Daniel might prefer. I'm glad that he might prefer insincerity, but that actually is totally irrelevant because the original rule was if you should be insincere, then it must be this case that you believe the person prefers insincerity. We don't actually care whether the person prefers insincerity. It's just about whether or not you believe that. You guys cool? This is where remember the whole like beliefs versus facts thing? Being sensitive to that can clue you into very different kinds of claims. C, S believes. S believes that kindness should be preferred to dishonesty. Well, that's not the belief we're talking about, right? Okay. Daniel's feelings would be hurt if he knew that the congratulations from S would be insincere, so S should not congratulate him. Again, we don't talk about... I hope I didn't go over the right answer, because so far I don't like any of these. S has no opinion about whether Daniel would prefer kindness to honesty. If S has no opinion, what does that mean?
She doesn't care what he wants.
She just has no opinion.
I like the second one.
If she has no opinion about whether Daniel would prefer kindness to honesty, then she clearly does not believe that he would prefer insincerity, right? She has no opinion on the matter. She doesn't have a belief about it, or at least she doesn't believe that he prefers it, right? So she should not congratulate him. If she doesn't believe this, then she should not be insincere. And if she should not be insincere, then contrapositive of the first sentence, she should not congratulate him. Because if she does, she will be misrepresenting her feelings, which is insincere. Are we cool with this? So what? It is E, isn't it? Okay, good. I was getting nervous. I was like, well, I got rid of A, B, C, D. What if we get rid of E too? Then I'll have to go back and be like, well, you can see why B might be a belief. Or whatever. Are we cool with this? Wait, what?
Just edit the video.
Yeah, just edit the video, yeah. It's like, okay, so as you can see, E is correct for the following reasons. Everybody's like, oh, what a smart soul. Are you... Yes.
Yeah, just like when I I got 21 wrong, and now that I'm reading it over, I'm like, it makes sense. But is there a way to
Wait, 21 or 23?
21?
Oh, okay. Wait, so hold on. Do we have any
Oh.
questions on 23? We're good? We all feel good about this one? 100%? Okay.